If you're gearing up for an American visa interview, especially if you're from India or anywhere else in the world, this video is for you. Let's dive into the latest criteria and factors to qualify for that all-important interview. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for general informational purposes only and is based on the latest available data at the time of recording. While we strive to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the information, we make no guarantees or warranties of any kind, express or implied, about the reliability, suitability, or availability of the information. Visa regulations and requirements are subject to change, and it is recommended to consult official sources or seek professional advice for the most current and personalized guidance. The creators of this video are not responsible for any errors, omissions, or any outcomes related to the use of this information. First up, having a valid job offer or admission from a U.S. institution is crucial. For work visas, make sure your employer has filed a petition, Form I-129, and received approval, Form I-797, from USCIS. For student visas, you'll need an acceptance letter from a U.S. educational institution. Do confirm your job offer or admission is legitimate and all paperwork is in order. Don't provide false information or incomplete documents. Regulations stipulate that the job offer or admission must be genuine and verifiable. For work visas, you must have a confirmed job offer from a U.S. employer. Your employer should have filed a petition, Form I-129, and received approval, Form I-797, from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. For student visas, you need to have an acceptance letter from a U.S. educational institution. For certain visa categories, your employer must obtain a labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor. Next, meeting the educational and professional qualifications is essential. Typically, a bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement for most work visas, and relevant work experience is also necessary. Do ensure your qualifications match the job requirements and have your educational documents ready. Don't misrepresent your qualifications or experience. Regulations require that your qualifications be authentic and relevant to the job or course you are applying for. Now, let's talk about financial stability. You must demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay in the U.S. This includes showing proof of financial resources, such as bank statements or sponsorship letters. Do provide accurate and up-to-date financial documents. Don't submit outdated or falsified financial information. Regulations mandate that applicants must have sufficient funds to cover their expenses while in the U.S. Proving strong ties to your home country, such as family, property, or a job, is important to ensure your return after your visa expires. Do gather documents that demonstrate your ties, like property deeds or employment letters. Don't ignore this requirement, as it is crucial for your visa approval. Regulations require evidence of strong ties to your home country to prevent overstaying. Meeting health and character requirements is necessary for visa approval. This may include undergoing a medical examination and having a clean criminal record. Do complete any required medical exams and be honest about your health and legal history. Don't conceal any health issues or past legal problems. Regulations require that applicants be in good health and have no criminal background. A clean criminal record is crucial. Be honest about any past legal issues, as transparency is key. When applying for a U.S. visa, demonstrating practical knowledge of your job and its background is crucial. This means you should be able to clearly explain your job role, responsibilities, and how your skills and experience align with the position you're applying for. Do. Prepare to discuss your job in detail, including specific projects or tasks you've handled. Don't. Provide vague or generic answers. Be specific and relevant. Regulations require that you have the necessary expertise and qualifications for the job, ensuring you can contribute effectively to your employer's needs in the U.S. You should be able to clearly explain your job role and duties. Finally, bringing all required documents to your interview is essential. This includes your passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee payment receipt, employer's petition approval notice, educational qualifications, and any supporting documentation. Do double-check that you have all necessary documents before your interview. Don't forget any important documents, as this can delay or jeopardize your visa approval. Regulations stipulate that all required documents must be presented at the interview. If applicable, provide state licenses and certifications related to your profession. Effective communication skills are a vital requirement for a U.S. visa interview. Being able to clearly and confidently articulate your responses can significantly impact the outcome of your interview. Do practice answering common interview questions in English, as this will help you feel more comfortable and prepared. Don't rely solely on memorized answers. Instead, focus on understanding the questions and providing honest, thoughtful responses. Regulations emphasize the importance of clear communication to ensure that the consular officer can accurately assess your eligibility and intentions. Good communication skills demonstrate your ability to adapt to an English-speaking environment, which is crucial for your success in the U.S. Be honest and clear. Answer all questions truthfully and clearly. Consular officers are trained to detect inconsistencies, so honesty is your best policy. Be prepared. Familiarize yourself with your application and the details of your job or course. Practice answering common interview questions to boost your confidence. Stay calm and confident. It's natural to feel nervous, but try to stay calm and composed. Confidence can make a positive impression on the consular officer. For applicants from India, there are a few additional points to keep in mind. Interview Waiver Program. Some applicants may qualify for an interview waiver, allowing them to skip the in-person interview. Check if you are eligible for this program. You can submit your documents at various document drop-off centers across India, making the process more convenient. Here are some single-sentence tips for students and job seekers applying for a U.S. visa. Valid job offer or admission. Ensure your job offer or admission letter is legitimate and all paperwork is in order. Educational and professional qualifications. Match your qualifications to the job requirements and have your educational documents ready. Financial stability. Provide accurate and up-to-date financial documents to demonstrate sufficient funds. Ties to your home country. Gather documents that show strong ties to your home country, like property deeds or employment letters. Health and character requirements. Complete any required medical exams and be honest about your health and legal history. Supporting documents. Double-check that you have all necessary documents before your interview. Communication skills. Practice answering common interview questions in English to boost your confidence and clarity. Good luck with your visa application. By understanding these criteria and preparing thoroughly, you can increase your chances of a successful visa interview. I hope to see you achieving your American dream soon. Finally, there is exciting news for you. Whether you're looking to boost your career or develop your personal skills, the IELTS Counselor's Next Personality Development Seminars, PDS, are here to help. Offered both online and offline, these seminars cover a wide range of career topics tailored just for you. To register for a scheduled PDS or to request a seminar on your own topic, visit www.ieltscounselor.com/personality-development-seminar. You can also book a PDS by sending an email to edu@ieltscounselor.com or a WhatsApp message to +91 920 754 4791. Every participant will receive certification from the IELTS Counselor. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills and advance your career. All of these at a cost that you can't resist to afford. IELTS Counselor faculties are working 24/7 to support you in your academic and career goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.